What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on SLP Smooth Loft Portion, which has pumped up once again 25% up in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at 0.002618 cents. So again guys, yesterday it did have a major pump and today as well, so it's still ongoing. But what we're going to be going through is it likely to crash back down very soon, or is it likely to keep going at its current price range? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks and so on, looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it on a profit, or should you keep holding on to it? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line here at the top running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, and it is still trading at a much higher value than the SMA indicator. As you guys can see, the average price is in purple here, but it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line was looking bullish. However, it has come to a flat line right now. It's not looking bullish or bearish, it's literally flat out going in a straight line. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from SLP. So again, it's going to be very minimal. It's not going to be a major crash or a major price drop or anything like that. It's going to be very minimal, but again, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. It should essentially be trading around 0.0024 cents and 0.0025 cents. In between these two price targets is where I'm expecting SLP to be trading at by midday tomorrow. But in between that time, do expect it to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. The blue line and the orange line are both looking quite steep guys, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place yesterday and today as well. The graph thinks it's going to keep going at that pace, heading upwards in a bullish direction. However, that's not how cryptocurrency works guys. Unfortunately, what I am expecting from SLP over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, is for it to have dropped back down in value below 0.002 cents in target towards the end of next week. Yes, it may seem like a major drop in value, however, right now it is overvalued. So over the coming days, do expect more red days when the crypto is likely to drop back down below this price target here. But again, do expect green days in between as well. It doesn't mean it's going to be consistently crashing, of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between as well, up and down. But unfortunately at the moment, my prediction is that the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Exact same guys, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it is not realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late December, I'm expecting it to go for an overall increase in value. And again, that is only if, as I mentioned in my previous videos, if Bitcoin manages to hit the $40,000 mark in December, which I am expecting, and it should take place as well. So guys, SLP should be heading upwards towards the end of the year, potentially heading up above 0.004 cents, potentially hitting about half a cent, which means 0.005 cents by mid to late December is where I'm expecting SLP to be trading at. But again, if there are any major changes, such as, if I'm expecting a major pump or a major crash, not just on SLP but in the crypto market in general, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, for those of you asking, is now the right time to buy SLP? From my prediction, you probably would have gathered that I would say no. Right now, I personally wouldn't buy it. I would wait for it to drop back down in value below 0.002 cents, or even heading down to where it was trading at before, down to about 0.0014 to 0.0015 is where I would buy the crypto if I really wanted to purchase it or invest into it. But at the moment, I believe that it's way too high, it's overvalued, and I would wait for it to drop back down in value. And if you guys are on a profit and are looking to sell it, then yeah, I would say buy it now. And if you wanted to get back into it, you can purchase it when it drops back down to this price target here. But again, this is my take and my predictions on it. If you guys don't believe it or don't want to go with it, then of course, it's entirely up to you. You guys can buy it, sell it, do whatever you want. I'm just giving you guys my take and my prediction on the crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. However, there isn't much we can do, as the highest that this crypto has been is 13 cents and right now is worth literally a fraction of that value. And for it to even hit the resistance target here, is going to have to hit 3 cents, which is going to require a major increase in value for it to hit 3 cents, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So for the moment, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, and potentially at least for the next 2 to 3 years we are going to be stuck in the red zone. And depending on how the crypto market performs, we may be able to hit the green zone. But yeah, the whole point is not anytime soon. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up 180%, making it $183 million in trading, which is a huge increase, especially yesterday and today as well. So yeah, it's been performing very well, and it is one of the top gainers. So it's also getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it. A lot of people are looking into investing into the crypto or even selling the crypto as well, as it is quite high at the moment, and if you're on profit, why not? But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys it for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.